Today we are making my famous peanut butter oat balls. These are so easy to make and they are a great on-the-go snack or a great afternoon snack when you just want a little something but you don't want to eat anything too unhealthy. Let's get started. So to make these peanut butter oat balls, these are the ingredients that I'm using today. You could definitely substitute other things. For instance, you do not have to put the chocolate in. That's completely optional. Also, the protein powder is optional. I really enjoy the flavor of the chocolate in it, but I don't put that much in it. So you're gonna need your oven at 350. I'm using quick cook oats today, but if you wanted to use old-fashioned rolled oats, you would just want to toast it in the oven just a tiny bit longer. And you can also even use raw oats for this. I just think it's easier for my stomach to digest the oats if it's been toasted up a little bit in the oven, and I think it also gives it a really great flavor. And you're just gonna set it for about 5 minutes if you're using the instant oats. Next, I'm adding my peanut butter. We just happen to have had crunchy peanut butter on hand. I look for peanut butter that has no sugar and no palm oil. Stay tuned for a video about that. You want to have really clean peanut butter. We had been eating peanut butter that had palm oil in it by accident because I didn't really check the ingredients. I got lazy at the grocery store and didn't check the ingredients. When your oats are toasted, you're just gonna add them right in the bowl with the peanut butter. Now comes the fun part of just mixing everything together. You'll see that it is very difficult to mix it easily. So what you wanna do is just blend it the best you can. If you want to add more peanut butter, go ahead and add more peanut butter at this point, but I'm adding maple syrup. You do not have to add maple syrup. You could just add water, and you're going to see in just a minute I'm actually going to add some water because I didn't want to use any more maple syrup. I don't want it to be too sweet. I'm putting a splash of Ceylon cinnamon in. You can use whatever kind of cinnamon you have on hand. I just like the taste of that. You could also use nutmeg too, or pumpkin spice flavor, and really spice it up. So you're just gonna stir, 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 stir. Notice that it's a little bit too thick, and I'm adding about a tablespoon or two of water here, and that helped it blend up. You just kind of have to keep working it. And if you wanted to get in there with your hands, you can, but I know I'm getting ready to form the balls with my hands, so I just like to stir it all together with a spoon or a spatula or something like that. Oh, I'm adding a half of a scoop of protein powder. The protein powder is vanilla. That is completely optional. I'm just looking for a healthy afternoon snack that's going to fill me up. So I just wanted to add a clean protein powder. There's not a lot of ingredients in this particular protein powder. I really like it. It doesn't upset my stomach. It's by Love Sweat Fitness. And then I'm going to form the balls by hand. This part does get really messy. So just do the best you can, and if you want to get your kids involved, or definitely have some paper towels close by, some soap and water. I'm not measuring these out, I'm just eyeballing it, but you could definitely make these smaller. In fact, as I was making it, I think I was in a hurry just to kind of get through it and kind of show you guys in the video how I was doing it. But I think if I had to do it again, I would probably cut these in half and make smaller bites, the smaller balls, so you could just grab one, and then if you did want another one for a snack, you could have two. But anyway, and then next I'm going to add a different shape. You'll see that I made a couple of little rectangle type bars, and you can also put this in a flat like cake pan and pat it down and cut it and make squares. I just think these are super easy to grab in the afternoon. They're really satisfying and filling. And just to make it a little bit more filling and a little bit of extra fiber, I'm adding a walnut to the top of each of these. I think it would be also great to have a pecan or anything like that. Of course, you don't have to add this step at all if you don't want to. I'm also going to add just a little extra with an unsweetened coconut flake topping on some of them. So actually, I think I put it on all of them. It's not actually fall yet here, but I'm so excited for fall. These just remind me of fall, and it's a great afternoon snack that will really fill you up. So if you don't want to put the coconut flakes on, you don't have to. They do kind of stick if you press it down. So that's it. I just store these in the refrigerator and you have a quick, easy filling snack for the afternoon. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.